Let's take a look at selecting and prioritizing themes. With themes developed and conclusions drawn, the practitioner must consider what issues should be brought up to the client. Not all of them are relevant, not all can be addressed. Careful prioritization is necessary to avoid presenting management with a laundry list of problems, which may appear overwhelming in its totality. Isolate the truly significant problems and prepare summaries that describe their nature and extent. There's a useful set of features of energizing data, or those critical that, when met, are likely to energize the client towards action rather than deepening cynicism or frustration that the issues seem unresolvable. These include the following. Issues shared with the client should be relevant to the problem for which the consultant and client have contracted. It will build energy when the consultant presents issues that the client can change. The most useful data will describe current facts rather than using themes to judge, evaluate, point blame, or isolate individual contributions to problems. Not all the themes in the data can or should be discussed. Be sufficient and specific. Enough detail should be provided so that the client can consider specific actions to take.